on my camera.
Oh, right.
But I think I stopped when I stopped really quickly, and I think I stopped the recording like right away. But I don't even remember doing that. So. Okay. There you go. That chunky monkey. Something I can pedal when I need to actually get up and over something. It rolls. That rolls. I'm gonna wait here. Oh, you're good. It's all right.
That's no joke.
No, and everybody says that's the hardest move. Last night we saw the guys go around the corner.
Yeah.
Which I think is harder, technically speaking. That one just has to be the toughest part of that trail is the 6 inches between your ears, right?
Yeah, the road is so smooth. I wasn't expecting it to be such a transition.
Well, whoa, there's looseness on the side there. I was waiting for my bottom bracket to touch, but not grab. Kind of a rodeo for a bit, but like as long as you go like, yeah, the reprieve is coming, you hope.
Yeah. You rolled that well. Yeah, focus here is keeping my heart rate down.
Oh, I have no idea what mine is at right now. I can't get my Strava on my watch to connect to my heart rate, but only on my phone, so that's all I've been recording. Sandy on that if you wanted to. Stay right on that line. Stay right, stay right, stay right. Oh, it's all good. That right line kind of just funnels you down like straight if you look back.
Yeah, it'd be nicer, right?
So that thing on the right there, that track,
yeah,
that's Kong.
Okay.
So apparently it's oh, it's full on, like I stopped down here so you can stop.
Whoa, that's
Yeah.
right here.
So you go here, that's Kong.
Oh.
There's a couple ways in this one. We're not doing it obviously, but holy cow. Like that.